Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Odoo 13 Community Edition, which is expected to release during the Odoo experience in this October. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo 13 Community Edition. If I go to the settings, I'll drag for go to settings. So the settings is getting loaded. Okay, the setting is loaded, so you can see the change inside the setting itself. So if I go down, it's down to the settings view, you can see this is Odoo 13 Alpha 1 Community Edition. So if I take the settings of Odoo 12, so this is Odoo 12 Community Edition. So if I take the settings menu, you will see this type of view here in Odoo 10, Odoo 11 and Odoo 12. Once you take the settings, you will see such a menu where 33 apps installed, 2 active users, like that you will see. But from Odoo 13 onwards, the settings is changed, and for activating the developer mode we have to scroll down here, and you can see from here we can activate, we can access all the settings of all the modules. Like we can access settings of CRM, sales, launch, website, etc. can be accessed easily from here. So this is a change in Odoo 13. Also you can see here, by here you can see a new option, that is my profile option here. In earlier versions we have preference option here. Once we click it, we will get a pop-up. If I take Odoo 12 Community Edition, you can see this is my preference option. On clicking this, we will get a wizard where we can set language, time zone, company, etc. But on clicking my profile option in Odoo 13, we will be redirected to the corresponding employees form view. From the employees form view, we can set these things, that is time zone, company, language, etc. can be set from the employees form view. You can see here in the preference tab, you can notification is there, language, time zone, etc. here. So this is another improvement in Odoo 13. So if I go to the discuss menu, that is first menu, we will start from there. Okay, from the discuss menu you can see a new history tab get added here, which was not there in the earlier versions. So if I check Odoo 12 and if I go to the discuss menu of Odoo 12, I will go to the top and I will take the discuss menu. So in the discuss menu, you won't see a history tab here. So this is also new thing added in the Odoo 13. Next, I will go to the calendar view. In the calendar, what the changes are, the UI is improved. The calendar view get cleaned up and you will get a new UI here. So once upon I click the record, you will get a pop-up like August 12 to 13, like that. You will get a brief description from there. Also, you will have a good option from filtering the records here. So this is the improvement done in the calendar section. So if I go to the contact section, in the all, this is in all Odoo versions, if the rest partner model is common for all, in the rest partner model you have two fields, that is separating customer and partner. There is a boolean field under the sales and purchase tab. You can see here there is a customer as is a vendor boolean field. This classification is removed from Odoo 13. You won't see such two boolean fields in Odoo 13. By default, all the contacts will be customer as well as the partner. So this is Odoo 13. If I go to the sales and purchase, you cannot see those two fields, that is a customer field and is a vendor field is removed from Odoo 13. And if I go to the CRM, there is also a new improvement in Odoo 13, that is date filter is improved. If I check the filters here, you can see these are the date filters, that is creation date, expected closing and closed date. If I open this, you can see the date filter can be seen last 3 months, that is this current month is August, last month is July, and that before that June. And you have quarter filters, that is quarter 4, quarter 3, quarter 2, quarter 1, etc. and also previous 3 years. Like this you will get for all the date filters. You can see this is for creation date. If I go to expected closing, you can see that also for the close date also you will have this much filters. And you will have no option of new option of generate leads here. This is working based on the IAP, in-app purchase. So once you click it, you can generate leads to your system from IAP. So for working of this, you have to purchase credits from IAP. So I will close it and I will move to the sales section. So if I move to the sales section, a new improvement has made here. So from here we can quotation layout, we can design the report we are giving to the customer. So here you can, in the screen you can see we can change the layout from here. Right now it is standard. I will move to background and I can move to boxed. You can see box is coming here. If I need to change the black color, just click on it and I will choose the red color. You can change the color values from here also. I will save the red color. You can see the changes, heading, description all get into red color. Now I will change this color into the green color. So I will save it. So it's getting saved. I think it's not saved. I will save once more, take once more, and I will save this green color. Now you can see there is the changes comes in the header as well as here in the total section. So this is how you can also change. You can change this font also. Okay, you can see the font of the report is getting changed. So once you set your report style as per your need, you can also change the company logo here. You can save it here. So you can, like this, you can define the report. Now if I go to the sales and if I take a printout of the report, let's see whether the changes has get affected. So the report is loading. So if I open the downloaded report, let's see whether we can see that red color. Yeah, that red color, you can see the report get printed as we have set there. So this is how you can design the report in Odoo 12. And another improvement that has done in sales section is that you can see, so right now I have opened a record which is confirmed. Let me take a quotation. So from here I will choose a quotation. Yeah, you have a quotation here. So I will click on edit button. You can see there is new option like add coupon and add promotions. Earlier in the earlier version, that is in Odoo 12 and below, these modules, that is coupon and promotion, was part of enterprise edition. From Odoo 13 onwards, these modules are moved into community edition. So in the sales you can use coupons and promotions. For its masters, you can, from the products you can access promotion programs and coupon programs. So this is also another improvement of Odoo 13 community edition. Now I'll move to website. If I move to website, there are a lot of improvements done. So you can get a new better dashboard here regarding the sales. You can easily switch the websites from here. Now I will click on choose the first website and I will go to the website to show the changes done inside the website section. So portal also I am discussing here in the website. So if I go to the portal, my account, you can see timesheet is getting added here. So timesheet in earlier versions, timesheet was not there in the portal. From Odoo 13, the timesheet also added into the portal. If I open a record like sale order, if I open this a sale record, there is no chat option. Yeah, here another option, that is customer portal user can easily attach attachments to the chatter section. You can see this button. By using this, you can attach attachments to the portal. Then if I go to backend itself, if I go to the contacts, I forgot to specify one thing. Uh, Here you can see all the smart buttons are placed inside the top of the screen. In earlier versions, the smart button were placed here in the top right side of the screen. I will switch to Odoo 12. You can see this is Odoo 12. All the smart buttons are here in this side, that is top right side. But from Odoo 13, the smart buttons will be right top of the screen. So in the website we have discussed, that is new option timesheet has been moved into portal. Also there is option to adding attachments inside the chatter of the website. Now if I go to the e-learning, that is new module, that is e-learning purpose. So I'll click on it, and here you can create different e-learning courses. And if I click on the courses, you can see it will be directed to the website section. Okay, the screen is loading. You can see this is the e-learning UI. From here you can access different course videos and etc. Like PDF can be attached, videos can be shared, etc. So system is loading. It's just a dummy file. If I go to next section, okay, I have studied this, like, and I can click on back course. If you need, you can share these courses to some other platforms, etc. So this is the new thing that has been added, that is extension of a server module, I can say. And if I come back to the backend, that is if I go to the point of sale, okay, it's going to the backend. I'll choose the point of sale. You can see if I take the settings of the point of sale, okay, it's loading. You can see there are new options coming. Login with employees. If I click the options, from earlier in the previous versions, we can log in POS as users, but in the Odoo 13 we can employees can log into the system. You can set allowed employees for each point of sale sessions. Also this is the new options, restrict available product categories in the POS. If I tick this, I can select which all categories has to be displayed inside this point of sale. Like that I can filter. So here you can select the point of sale categories. And if I move down, you can see the settings of the point of sale. So that's all about point of sale. I will just log into the system, the point of sale screen, resume the session. Okay, the POS is getting loaded. Also, there is an improvement in the payment screen of the point of sale. I will show you once it get loaded. Connecting to the IoT box, I will skip it. Okay, now if I select two products and I will make the payment. Here there is some little improvement here done here in the payment screen. Okay, that's done. I'll close the point of sale session and we'll move to the purchase. In the purchase there is an improvement, like we have the same feature in the sales also, that is new grid configurator. If I go to the settings, you can see it's loading. It's not added here in the purchase settings. If you check the sales order settings, you can see product grid configurator. That is, we can easily configure products. If suppose if I have a t-shirt and it have different variants available, we can easily choose the variants using the grid configurator. I will show it's working here in the purchase. The same is available in the sales also. I will explain the working in the purchase. So I will create a new quotation. So for that I will go to the request for quotation and I will create a new quotation. I will select a customer, sorry, vendor. Okay, now I will choose customizable desk. So this has different three so two attributes are there, so there will be 6 combination of the products. So I will choose this customizable desk. Now you will get a pop-up. As you can see, this is the grid configurator. Here from here I can steel and white combination. I can order 2 products, aluminum and white combination, let it be 0, and aluminum white with custom 1. Like that I can easily set the products here. Like this I will enter the quantities of the product, and if I click on confirm button, you will get, I can see different products get added in the order line. So I click the confirm button, you can see what we have selected get added here. So this is the new product grid configurator in the Odoo 13. Also the another feature of Odoo 13 is that you can see 3 dots here. That is, we can, if I want to see scheduled date field here in the view, I can click it. So if I tick it, you can see the schedule date get added here. If I don't want to see it here, I can untick it. So that we can possible to have dynamic tree view in the Odoo 13. So if I take the purge, all the tree view, you will have 3 dots here. From here you can set which all field has to be visible in the tree view. Like this I can add and remove fields easily. Right now we have only reference and vendor. If I need to add order date, I can click on it, order date get added here. If I need to show the company, I can click on it. If I need to show total amount, I can show like this. So this is the possibility of adding dynamic tree view in Odoo 13. So another, if I go to inventory section, I will move to manufacturing. Inside the manufacturing, the improvement has been made inside the bill of materials. You can see if I open a bill of material, click on edit button, a new option for subcontracting is added. You can see in all earlier versions we have only manufacturer and kit option, but a new option for subcontracting is added here. So if I go to next module, that is, if I go to invoicing, regarding invoicing, the major change is that account.invoice model is removed from Odoo 13. Now the invoice will be the account.move model. So account.invoice is get merged with account.move model. So that's the thing with invoicing. So Odoo says that it will help us to performance improvement. So if I go to next menu, that is project, let it be there. If I go to employees menu, you can see a new thing in the side of the left side of the screen. That is, it is called a search panel. By this search panel, the search panel will be available in the multiple record views, like that, like Kanban view, tree view, etc. We can add search views, search panels. If I can easily filter the records, like here, suppose if I have all the company, if I need to get the employees of administration department, you can click on here. Tina Williamson is belonging to administration department. Suppose if I want to get the employee of professional service team department, I can click on it. Like that you can easily filter the records from the search panel. So this is also another improvement of Odoo 13. Also you can see here a new indicator, that is there is something wrong with the contract, either there is no running contract. So if there is no active contract, the warning will be shown here in the screen. Also right next to it, you can see if I place the mouse over it, there is some issues with the contract. If I click on, oh yes, the first label indicate that, red dot indicate that she is absent. So next warning signal shows that there is no running contract. So let us log into the system. Let me go to the attendance. If I go to attendance and log, right now it's red showing she's absent. Now if I go to attendance and mark the attendance of Abigail Peterson, I will manually create the attendance. I'll create attendance of Abigail. Also there is no create option. Okay, so let it leave it as such. We'll switch back to the employee itself. So once the employee is logged into the system, it will get into the green color that shows that he is present. If he is out of the system, it will turn into the red color, so that HR will get understand who is there in the company and who is not there in the office, right? Like you can easily get idea from the content view itself. So another improvement in Odoo 13 is that you can see new name here, time off. That is, time off is not a new thing. The leave module, is renamed to the time off in Odoo 13. So if I open the time off menu, you can see a new dashboard of the corresponding employee. That is like you can get a better idea of the leaves and all things from the time off dashboard. And if I move to lunch module, if I move to lunch module, you can see enhancement there. This is the new UI for the lunch module. We can easily select the required things from here and place the order for the lunch. So this is also improvement. You can see when I selected lunch, I will select this. I will click on add to cart. It will get added to the cart. We will have a cart like your POS. You can see the quantity get increased. If I need to increase the quantity, I can increase from here. So this is the improvement in lunch module. You can have filter the records using the search panel here. So if I move to the next, let me check the available modules. Okay, let me check whether anything has been missed. Okay, if I go to the purchase itself, okay, in the purchase here, add a product, add a section, add a note. This was not there in Odoo 12. It's newly added in Odoo 13. Okay, another improvement in Odoo 13, not an improvement in Odoo Community Edition. The payroll module was removed from Community Edition and it will be part of Enterprise in Odoo 13. If I go to the apps menu, and if I search for payroll, nothing will be there. That is, payroll is removed from Community Edition and it will be part of Enterprise Edition only. And there are new different widgets has been introduced here. That is, ribbon widget and also calculator widget is added here. I'm not sure where exactly the widgets are used in the which views, so I cannot show you right now. So just remember that there is two new widget, that is ribbon widget as well as calculator widget. And if I go to the employee, you can see there are new modules like HR skills, HR presence, like the new modules are there. If I open an employee view, you can see we can add the employee skills here. That is language proficiency, like that. Proficiency can be added here. Also experience details can be added here. This is coming from new module called HR skills. So if I go to the apps menu and if I search for skills, you can see skills management. So this is the new module in the Odoo 13. Also I will search for presence. There is a new module for controlling the employee presence. So if I go to the employee directory, you can see a green button here, that is Mitchell admin is present at the office right now. And if I go to the configuration of employee, it's getting loaded. You can see control presence of employee based on attendance or login status. Like this also has the new feature, like you can see employee skills and resume. That is a new feature. If I go to e-commerce, that is from the website. If I go to website, website is here. I will forget to specify one feature that has been added in the website section, that is in the e-commerce. I will take the shop page. You can, a new buy now button has been added here, which we can activate from here. I will choose some products to the cart. From here I can add buy now button. You can see buy now button, a new button will get added here for quick purchase of the products. So a new buy now button has been introduced. Okay, so this is also another improvement done in the Odoo 13. So I will go back to the backend itself. You can see shop, events, forum, blog, courses. So if I check the courses menu, you can see a new UI has been added. This is courses. From here courses can be selected and can be joined for this courses by clicking here. Right now I have already enrolled for the course, so you will have a join button here. Using the join button you can join for the course and you can get better complete the courses. So the one who create the course can add the materials like PDF videos, YouTube videos, etc., like this, and you can share. So I will write a review. You can have the option to review, write a review. You have also an option to add a question, and you can share these documents to social medias. So this is about the new courses, new improvement in the slides and courses. So if I go to the home itself, you can see a lazy loading, that is system will get loaded. So in the forum section, you can see forum will have a new UI. I will take the help forum. You can see a new UI for the forum. If I take the people section, you can see first three people will have the content like view, like their image will be shown. And from here you can switch the mobile view. Okay, I will close the mobile view and I will go to the backend. Here you have option to there is some Google fonts can be added. Customize theme, manage page. Also there is a new option has been added. I'm not sure from where we can access it. Like we can add Google fonts easily to the system. Customize theme. So once I click on customize theme, I have to install a new theme. Once in theme is installed, you can import the themes, Google fonts. Now I will go to the backend and see whether I have missed anything to specify. So from the settings, I will just activate the developer mode. I will activate the developer mode. Okay, it's loading. From here at the bottom of the settings, you can activate the developer mode. So once the developer mode is activated, and I will go to the invoicing. Let's check the model name of the invoice. I'll click here. From here you can see if I click on edit form view, you can see the model name is account.move. It will be account.move. You can see this is the model, that is account.move. That is account.invoice has been completely removed from Odoo version. That is, there is account.invoices will not be there in enterprise as well as in the community. So that's the change. And if I click on here, earlier we will see it has edit search panel, but it is renamed to control panel view in Odoo 13. Don't worry if you see some control panel view, it is same as the search view which we have in previous versions. So this is the control panel view. Okay, and if I go to discuss, we have discussed about the discuss, that is history tab get added here. And here you will have a new multi-company widget like this. You can select the company. This widget also has been improved. And if I go to the notes calendar, there is a new UI for the calendar which is better. And in the contacts, we have already discussed that the smart buttons are moved on top of the screen. Wherever we add the smart buttons, it will come right top of the screen, and there will be no classification of the partners, customers as well as the vendors from Odoo 13. Okay, you can see all in the top side. So this is all about the features of Odoo 13 Community Edition. If you have any queries, you can comment it out. We will be reply as soon as possible. Thank you.